Today's vehicles are designed to appeal to a driver's personality, aesthetic sensitivity, social position, desire for safety, ability to transport the family, and many other functions that have little to do with traveling from point A to point B. Today, modern service facilities deal with a customer expectation for ride performance, vehicle noise, cosmetic aesthetics, and any number of non-mechanical events that make up total customer satisfaction. Shop owners must face the reality that delivering the glass smooth ride expected from his customers is simply not possible with a conventional wheel balancer. Only the Hoffman Optima offers the technology that assures the ride performance expected from today's drivers. The Optima's non-touch optical scanners identify the conditions that contribute to the poor ride quality and recommend a solution to minimize harmonics through tire and wheel matching. The advanced technology of the Optima automates many of the traditional steps and therefore eliminates the possibility of errors in mounting and data entry. These automated steps save time and makes it easier for a less experienced technician to perform professional ride control diagnostic services. Simply choose the required mounting cone or pin plate and place it on the balancer shaft. Notice that there are no threads on the shaft to wear. No hand cranking of the wing nut is required. Clamping the wheel only requires lifting the foot pedal. The power clamp assures a perfect mount every time because the Optima automatically monitors clamping pressure and accurate wheel centering. We no longer have to worry about comebacks because the wheel was mounted to the balancer shaft incorrectly. That's it. No other inputs are required of the technician. Simply close the wheel guard and the Hoffman Optima goes to work. All data input steps have been automated. This alone assures you of the fastest floor-to-floor time of any balancer in the industry. That means increased technician productivity and no customer comebacks from incorrect data entry. When the tire stops, a colorful screen graphic displays a cross-section of a tire and wheel. Weight amount and position to correct imbalance is displayed. In addition to balancing information, a tread depth indicator will signal the tread depth. Green is good, yellow is caution, and red alerts the operator of a tire tread depth problem. Wheel weight types and profiles are displayed according to wheel type and shape. A simple key press allows the technician to reposition the wheel weight choice. Weight amounts for the new weight configuration are automatically recalculated. A significant portion of the wheel balance business today involves custom wheels. The Optima balances these wheels with the utmost precision, as well as providing for the optimum placement to maintain the beauty of the wheel design. Weights can be hidden behind spokes while maintaining the accuracy expected. Press one key and use the built-in weight placement SAPE arm to precisely position the weights. On-screen graphics indicate proper placement. This exclusive Hoffman feature assures exact weight placement. Hoffman's leadership position in automotive equipment design made it a logical step to simply apply patented wheel and tire imaging technology that electronically scans with optical scanners and lasers to image the entire tire and wheel assembly. The advanced imaging cameras and lasers are mounted on the inside and outside of the tire and wheel assembly. The technology of the scanners automatically produce a visual profile of the tire and wheel assembly by measuring wheel distance, diameter, width, wheel type, and wheel spoke data. To complete the technology package, the Optima uses virtual plane measuring to calculate wheel imbalance to an accuracy that is unmatched in the industry. Many of today's alloy wheels have no flat surface that is suitable for using a mechanical gauge to measure wheel runout. The wheels with the styled outer flanges also present a problem attaching wheel weights. Tape-on weights must be placed on the inboard face of the wheel drop center. On wheels with spokes, placing tape-on weights behind the spokes is preferred because the weights cannot be seen from the outside. A single key press automatically positions the correct weight not only behind the wheel face, but also behind the spoke. Just turn the tire until the screen graphic turns green. For maximum ride performance, the Optima easily performs both wheel balance and tire wheel diagnostics. Mount the tire as you would in the balance mode. Close the wheel guard and the automatic spin function begins. When optimization is selected, a second step begins automatically. Tire RPM slows and the full complement of diagnostic scanners automatically measure total tire and wheel runout, as well as lateral and radial runout of the wheel. These calculations are compared to computerized specifications that determine if the tire and wheel can be optimized to eliminate vibrations associated with harmonics of the tire and wheel assembly. Amazingly, all this happens in one spin cycle and no measuring device ever touches the tire and wheel. When the machine stops, a comparison of specifications and data inputs have already made a diagnostic decision. A screen graph displays the total runout of the tire and wheel assembly. Positioning the meter over any high or low spot on the graph relates the data to the top of the wheel. The display clearly states what percentage of the problem can be attributed to the wheel and/or the tire. The Optima quickly determines if there is a best match possibility for tire and wheel compatibility and reduced vibration harmonics. A single key press displays the matching prompts. Follow the on-screen instructions. Position the valve stem and press Proceed. Next, position and mark the tire. Remove the tire from the Optima. Place the tire on a tire changer and position the chalk mark to the valve stem. Reinflate the tire. Place the tire back on the Optima and repeat the measurement step. With successful optimization, all that is required is to perform a wheel balance. The Hoffman Optima is designed with today's shop in mind. The user-friendly programming allows every shop employee to become proficient in a very short time. The large standard TFT display makes it easy to read and follow the directions for professional wheel service. Onboard help functions with text and graphics are just a key press away, and the display can be set up in several language choices. Flexible programming allows the technician to choose weight amounts displayed in grams or ounces. A single screen toggle allows the technician to select balance only or balance with optimization. Thank you for taking the time to view the Optima. As you can see, Optima is the ride diagnostic system for today's service operation. And, by the way, it just happens to be the best wheel balancer on the market as well. Your Hoffman representative will be happy to place one in your shop today.